Hey guys, this is Jessica from ZumbaFitJessica. I wanted to walk you through a tutorial to J-Lo's medicine that I posted the other day. I got a request for it. I love the requests, so keep them coming. We're going to start on our right side. We're going to clap our hands 16 times going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing other side. This time I'm using this hand to clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to go to the right and sweep our arm in front. That leg shoots out twice. 1, 2. As it shoots out, I'm also lifting up my torso a little bit. Lift, lift. We're going to go to the other side. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. So we've done that a total of 3 times. Then we're going to do 4 points to the front, starting with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me some medicine. I can be a medicine. Now we're going to take and jump it up for 16 counts, balancing on the balls of our feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Motion for them to go back. Fast feet back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just a single 8 count now. 4 shakes down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bend your knees. 7, 8, come in. Now we're ready to go into those crosses. We're going to cross and open, twist, 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 twist. Same thing again. Cross and open, twist, 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 twist. One more time. Cross and open, twist, 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 twist. Then we're going to cross for the 4th time and then not do the twists. Cross, open, open. We're ready to do our drums. There's 7 beats. So I'm going to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the last one. So whichever hand you start with, that's the hand that you end with. I'm going to bend my knees a little bit and go bum, 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 bum. So on that last one, when I hit 7, I'm going to add a jump. So it's bum, 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 bum. Let's try it again. Bum, 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 bum. So after you land that jump, bump, bump, you're going to land on a bended knee. You're going to bring your right knee in and up, down. Left knee in and up, down. Right knee in and up, down. Stay down. We're going to pull our shoulder to the side. 1, 2, 3. So your shoulder goes to the side, whichever knee starts. So now I'm going to start this knee. In and up, down, in and up, down, in and up, down. Shoulders, 1, 2, 3. Same thing other side. In and up, down, in and up, down, 1, 2, 3. So you can get into trouble if you go in and up and you don't go back down, because then you won't have anywhere to go for the next one. So make sure you go in and up, down, and you stay down for those shoulders. So we're going to do that 3 times. In, out, up, down, shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. This side, up, down, shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Last time, up, down, shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Then we're going to bring it forward just for 8 this time. We did 16 at the beginning. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fast feet back. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're ready to go back to the top. gonna go back to that first. 16 on each side, 4 times. And then instead of going here and putting your foot out, we're gonna do the bridge. So I'm gonna do a nice big circle around my head on 7, 8. I'm gonna go around. My arms are in a 90-degree angle, and I'm pushing back and forth. So if I was staying in one place, it would just look like this. I'm gonna travel around in a circle, just like that. We're gonna take 3 8 counts to get around. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then she says, you ain't been the only one. In the video I did, you ain't been the only one. Now I'm kind of like, you ain't been the only one. So then I'm back out here to do this the opposite way. You can do whatever you want on that. So but we're gonna take the 3 8 counts, do whatever you want. You ain't been the only one. We're gonna go back the opposite way. 3 8 counts. 2, 3, and again, you ain't been the only one.
I can show you. Don't go thinking you could use me. You don't say too much, you could lose me. Just believe I'm coming through with a new thing. Oh, you ain't been the only one. I say shots like an Uzi. Even in place, I don't care who see. Just believe I'm coming through with a new thing. Oh, you ain't been the only.
Right, after that, we go right back to this. And it repeats from that part on. All right. I hope this was helpful, you guys. See you next time.
They give me some medicine. I can be a medicine.